Hello student, today we will design a game based upon the theme of trees our life. Our goal in this game is that planting right tree on right landscape. Okay, you know that every tree have its own way to help the mother, that is earth. For example, Arjun tree reduce the noise, orange tree reduce pollution. Okay, in this game I will first give the brief overview of this game. I have already designed this game. I will run this game. Okay, this is the output screen of that game. Okay, this is the output screen of that game. This game have 7 screen backdrops, that is called backdrop. One is start, then game rule, and 4 landscape. One is coastal, high wind, industrial, soil erosion. I have mentioned the name here. And last is game over screen. Okay, I will run that game by clicking on flag button. Okay, when this is our start screen. Okay, in the start screen 2 buttons are present. First is start button and second is game rule button. Okay, when I pressed game rule button, then rule of game window will open. I will show you game rule. These are the rule of that game. That is, to start the game you have to click on start button. Second rule, there are 4 trees. One is banyan tree, neem tree, tecamola tree, java plum tree. When you each tree have its specific landscape. That is, banyan tree have industrial landscape, neem tree have soil erosion landscape, tecamola tree have soil erosion, and neem java plum tree has high wind landscape. Okay, here I have neem tree, it's coastal landscape. I have mistake here that there is coastal landscape. Okay, when I pressed on back button, the start screen should be open. Okay, I will press that back button and then start screen will open. To start the game, first I will click on start button. There are 4 trees that I have mentioned already. This is banyan tree, java plum tree, this is neem tree, and that is tecamola tree. Okay, and this screen you have to see here, this is high wind. Okay, or I have also the score. When you in the game, I have game rule, I have already mentioned that when you paste, when you touch right tree on right landscape, then score will be increased by +10, or if you placed wrong tree on right on wrong landscape, then you get -10 score. For example, Java plum tree is right option for this. I drag Java plum tree with the finger and touch with, this is soil patches. Okay, this black is soil patches where we have placed tree. Okay, then you check the score will increase by +10. Okay, then again this screen you have see here, this is industrial landscape. For industrial landscape, the right option is banyan tree. This is the right option. Still I have placed wrong option. You have to notice that my score will decrease by -10, that is reduced to 0. This is my score, then score will reduce 0. Then this is soil erosion landscape. For this soil erosion landscape, right option is Tecamola tree. This is right option, and score will increase by +10. Okay, look at the score will increase by +10. Now this is coastal landscape, and the right option for coastal landscape is neem tree. Place the neem tree on, score will increase by +10, and game restart or game over screen will be open. Okay, to restart, here the restart button is present. This is when you click on that button, your start window will open again. Okay, this is total your game. In this video we will first design only that 7 background. Okay, click on that plus sign. Delete that panda sprite. Click on that button, background button. Okay, delete that background. Sorry, first you have to add click on that plus sign. Okay, first I will add the start screen. Go to school option. Here a playground screen is background is present. I have considered that playground background is as a start screen. Click on, press OK. Okay, delete this. Now rename this as a start. To rename, right here start. Press OK. Save. Okay, start. Next window is for game rule. Okay, click on that plus sign. Let us consider this is my game rule window, screen. Okay, click on that and press on that check button. Rename this rule. Rules. A rule window. Okay. You have to type here the rule. To type the rule here, click on this text option, start type. I will write all the rule in short form. First rule, click on start button. Okay. Second rule, there are 4 trees. First is banyan tree, and right option for banyan tree is industrial landscape. You should have to type rule in brief. Okay, I have to type in short. Second is neem tree. Name for coastal landscape. Okay, then third is Tecumseh tree, Tecumseh, and the right option for Tecumseh tree is soil erosion. That is, Tecumseh tree should be placed on soil erosion landscape. Fourth is Java plum. Java plum tree, and that should be placed in high wind landscape. Okay, then next rule, use finger to move tree. Okay, and fourth rule is plus 10 score for right placement, for right minus 10 for wrong placement, minus 10 for wrong. Placement, okay, wrong, okay. Second. Okay, fine. Save. Then third background is used for game over. To game over, go to space. You have to choose any screen for any window. ठीक है, I have choose game for game over screen is that background. Okay, click on that button. Rename this. Right here, restart or game over. I have typed here game over. Okay, save, then okay. Look at start, rule, game over, then for landscape. First is high wind. Click on that plus button. Go to outdoor, any one background that show high wind. I have considered that is for high wind. Okay, and then rename this. Type the name here, high wind. High wind. Press OK. Then you have to resize also, because there should present 4 tree, so there should be have white space. To resize this, click on that that option. One more, this is better. I think this is enough, and then save it.